Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel and community. Are you a single mother struggling to find a safe and affordable place to live? Well, we have fantastic news for you. Introducing free apartments for single mothers. We understand the challenges that single mothers face every day, raising children, working, and managing finances. That's why we are thrilled to bring you this incredible opportunity. Yes, you heard it right, free apartments. Low-income single mothers can also find different NGOs that help to offer affordable apartments for single mothers. There are government housing programs that provide rent-free homes, studios, and apartments for single moms and kids. A number of national charity organizations also provide resources. Struggling single mothers can get free housing, whether they have an income or not. Find free apartments and housing for single mothers from Habitat for Humanity, Camillus House, Bridge of Hope, YCWA, Vision Housing, Mercy Housing. Emergency housing for homeless single moms is available. There are HUD resources, charities and other resources that can help, even including women with no income or that are unemployed. Based on funding levels, the Salvation Army can provide emergency rental assistance for a period of time of up to 24 months, especially to lower-income single mothers who do not get child support from the father or the courts. Receive help with landlord and tenant mediation. They also have homeownership programs or housing grants. A focus of the rental programs is on single parents, and in particular moms. Some government programs also offer rent-free apartments for single mothers. The housing will generally be for very low-income households in which the mom both lacks child support from their partner but also has some form of income coming in. The goal is to help the child have a safe place to live. To get more details or to get a free apartment, visit globalhotelfinder.com. The link to the post is mentioned below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.